Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do split screen in the InShot app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the InShot app on your home screen. Now open it. Tap onto the video option and choose one video that you want to edit. Now that your clip is on the timeline, let's start by splitting the screen. Tap onto the video. Now scroll the toolbar and here you can find the option of split. Now tap on it. Here you can find the video has been split now. You can split how much you want to split to your video. Now you can edit the split screen from right here and make a lot of transitions to your video. And now you can also edit the video one by one. And that's how you create a split screen using InShot. It's super simple, but it adds a professional touch to your videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.